CEO founder for Go Zero Africa.
What is Go Zero Africa all about?
We are a green consulting firm as well as we're also turning plastic waste to build affordable housing for average Nigerian.
Using plastic waste to build affordable housing. How do you do that?
So we get the random plastics that people discard on the streets, we stuff them in with sand. So with that, we can build your house. So if you've gotten about 16 to 18,000, you can have your 3-bedroom flat.
Really?
Of course, once we've been able to make our PET bottles, within 2 weeks, your house is ready.
This is incredible. How many homes have you built yet?
Okay, so for the start, we've been able to do like 3, 4. Yes, of course, I'm putting wholesome homes, not the shops and the toilet project.
What made you to go into building houses with waste products?
I hate waste. I don't believe in waste. In my house, I don't discard anything. Down to my baby's diaper, I use it to generate maggot farm. That's how I was able to make my research and saw that, you can build with it. And of course, because it's a big problem, I've been doing that.
What do you think is the change you're making? What need are you serving?
Solving the house crisis. Building with PET bottles, you save over 40 to 50% compared to traditional bottle. Yes. And then we are creating jobs because we have youths. Instead of just whiling away, they come in few and then we pay them, giving trainings. People can also become their own green engineers as well.
Plastic bottles, waste plastic bottles to build homes. Have you run into any bottlenecks yet?
But the bottlenecks we have currently is that it's manual. We fill about 100 in a day. And so if we need about 18 to 20,000 for a 3-bedroom bungalow, so you can imagine. So the bulk of the work is in the filling. Once you filled, the house can be erected in 1 week.
You've built 3 to 4 houses right now. Which one has been more challenging and more exciting to build?
The duplex. Okay. Because we're experimenting. We've been able to do bungalow, but the duplex had to, using the slab, because we have to now use the slab. And so for the person, we tried to see if we could use bottles. And so, but because we were yet to get international, who will come and test, so we just randomly went for the conventional, which is putting slabs, not using the plastic bottles. Yeah.
What has been the most amount of money you've made from building one house?
Basically, we have between 250 to 5 million, depending on the capacity of the project. We've made over at least 4.2 million. We've been able to use it to acquire a land space and fairly used generators, hoping that we'll get an automated sand filling machine. Yes.
Imagine somebody wants to grow up and become just like you, building eco-friendly houses. What would be your advice to that person right now?
Start now. You don't need permission. The world will always not think is unique, but just keep doing you. That's what will make you outstanding.
Go Zero Africa. Thank you so much for this. Well done.